Hi guys, I'm Akhil. I'm the founder of Dojima Network. Glad to welcome everyone to Dojima Network's first hackathon in 2023. So we just launched our testnet last month in front of 5,000 developers at IIT Bombay. So let me start with the expected outcomes for today's hackathon. So teams participating in today's hackathon are expected to come up with an innovative decentralized application concept, and you guys should be presented here. And judging will be based on the videos that we collect. So if you already have a built Solidity dApp, then you can demo the product, and our team will help you in deploying your product on Dojima chain. So we have a team over here who will come to you and collect the presentation videos, and you'll be presenting it over here on this stage, and we'll take a video recording of that. And we have lunch prepared, so I think we can wrap it up after our lunch today. Now, let's dive into the benefits you get from this hackathon. So, blockchain being $1 trillion industry, this hackathon will give you a lot of exposure to blockchain development and make them ready for future of fintech. The benefits from this hackathon will be top teams will be selected for the grand hackathon of Dojima and could win even bigger prize money. So also top performing teams would receive support from Dojima and our partners. So they would also receive community recognition, which would help the teams turn their hackathon product into a startup. You would receive certification from Dojima Network. Dojima Network is a leading blockchain platform in the sector, having leading partners and supported by industry-leading VCs. So at Dojima, we are trying to create a cross-chain infrastructure that is able to connect blockchains that are completely different in the underlying architecture. And on top of it, we're trying to build a platform that enables users, developers from all blockchains to meet at one place, and thus creating a truly decentralized cross-chain ecosystem. So it all started when Bitcoin came out in 2008, the first decentralized cryptocurrency. Soon, everyone wanted the ability to deploy decentralized applications to solve this need. Came Ethereum, basically a solution to solve the problem of running code on top of blockchains. Now, as more people started using Ethereum, the transaction costs shot up, and people wanted a scaling solution with lower transaction costs and faster transaction execution. To solve this came Polygon. Now, if you see the ecosystem, there are a lot of layer 1 and layer 2 blockchains. Now, users are pretty confused in choosing which platform to develop on and are in need for a cross-chain middle ground between all these blockchains. This is what we're doing at Dojima Network. We're building a cross-chain middle ground and a suite of tools to make the cross-chain development easier. Firstly, let's look at the problem from developers' perspective. Each blockchain has its own architecture with its own development language, and there's no common interface connecting all the blockchains. And a developer wanting to develop a cross-chain application has to deploy multiple times on different chains, and also cross-compatibility between the same application on different chains is also not possible. Right now, there are many blockchain platforms, and each blockchain has separate wallet provider to interact with smart contracts. Each blockchain has separate token formats, and decentralized applications in each blockchain are limited by these constraints, making the Web3 very unorganized for user and a developer. So at Dojima Network, we're trying to build the underlying architecture and a layer 1 connecting blockchains that are completely different, and on top of it, build a platform and suite of tools and products to organize the unorganized Web3, where users can interact with protocols from all chains from a single account and at one place. So every blockchain is a standalone distributed ledger with no connection to the outside world, maintaining its own independent state. With Dojima Network entering the picture, all these independent blockchains are connected to each other, and also protocols deployed on different chains can now communicate with each other in a decentralized way, thus creating a hub of all blockchains with a single state. At the core of Dojima Network is Dojima Chain, where assets from all the chains meet, and it acts as a middle ground for all chains. So this architecture enables us to create a cross-chain wallet that holds tokens from all chains, supports interaction with smart contracts on all chains, and also enables easy exchange of tokens between different chains. Dojima Chain supports smart contract deployment, enabling developers to create cross-chain applications in the middle ground, enabling liquidity to be pooled from all the chains, thus enabling creation of more liquid and robust cross-chain marketplaces. So we're considering three phases for our product growth to make it grow into a complete cross-chain ecosystem. In the phase 1, we will be creating Dojima chain with links to all major chains. This is the zone where tokens from all the chains meet. Phase 2 is the part where independent cross-chain connections are created between different chains, and token interface contracts are deployed on each chain so that tokens and data transfer can directly happen between independent chains. Phase 3 is where aggregation of protocols of each chain is involved. Specific interface contracts are deployed on each chain and access protocols directly from the cross-chain environment, thus acting as a cross-chain middleware for protocols. In this diagram, you can observe the example is shown between Ethereum and Solana. The whole ecosystem working together enables users to interact with protocols from a single account and boost development of complex cross-chain applications. So Dojima Network is powered by dedicated proof-of-stake based validators. The token powering Dojima Network is called the Doge token. It powers all the transactions on Dojima Network. Doge is also the staking token for running a validator node. The current validator limit of the system is set to 100 validators. Balance between the time to finality and decentralization, and as to reduce the time required for consensus. So until now, we managed to release the cross-chain wallet as well as the fast product in November, and we've been receiving good reviews for those products. You can check more about them on our website. And we released our testnet last month after 1 year in development. Cheers to our team for that. And we just started organizing hackathons from last month. Last month we organized one in IIT Bombay, and this is the first hackathon in 2023. And we will be organizing hackathons every month on a continual basis in major cities as well as in colleges. Do stay updated on our social channels, guys. You get to participate in hackathons every month. And we're planning to launch our mainnet at the end of this year. And in between the testnet and mainnet, a suite of tools and products will come out to help you guys deploy easy cross-chain applications. And we'll be rolling out products on a monthly basis. So cheers to our team who made the product development possible. Thank you guys. Thank you for being here. And coming to the schedule, right after this, you guys finalize your presentations, and you can, whoever completes first, you can start coming here and giving your presentations. We'll record all your videos, and judging will be based on the videos we collect. And the results will be announced 4 days after now, because we also need to collect all the online video applications as well. So we'll announce the results 4 days from now. You can get back and start preparing your presentations, guys.